Want to update your Discord username? Whether you're rebranding your profile, changing your online identity, or simply choosing a better name, Discord makes the process quick and easy. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your Discord username on both desktop and mobile. First, open Discord and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main screen, locate the Settings option near your profile area and open the User Settings menu. Inside User Settings, look for the Account section. This page contains your profile information, including your current username, display name, and other account details. Next, find the username field and select the Edit option. Enter your new username and make sure it follows Discord's naming requirements. If the username is available, you'll be able to continue with the change. After entering your new username, Discord may ask you to confirm your account password for security purposes. Enter your password if prompted and save the changes. Once the update is complete, visit your profile to verify that the new username appears correctly. Your friends and servers will now see your updated username across Discord. And that's how to change your Discord username. Open your account settings, edit your username, confirm the change, and verify your updated profile. So yeah, the whole process only takes a few moments, and you'll be ready to continue using Discord with your new identity. Thanks for watching.